Jimmy, I've got the top 5 tips to look and stay young. And trust me, they're foolproof. I'm all ears, Purdy. What's the secret to eternal youth? Tip 1, smile. Hola. Wrinkles can't catch you if you're always smiling. Plus, people will be too distracted by your grin to notice those smiling lines. So I'll just walk around like I'm starring in a toothpaste commercial. Got it. Exactly. And tip 2, wear sunglasses. Indoors and out. It's not just for style. The bigger the shades, the fewer the wrinkles you show. Plus, mystery adds to youthfulness. I'll be the guy in the grocery store wearing aviators, looking like a secret agent. Tip 3, drink lots of water. Tip 3, drink lots of water, H2O. Hydration, that's key. But if you really want to stay young, just carry the water bottle around. It's the accessory of the eternally youthful. I'm basically Benjamin Button with this water bottle. And tip 4, avoid stress. Whenever something stressful happens, just take a nap. You just can't age if you're asleep, right? Problem? What problem? I'm too busy snoozing. And finally, tip 5, hangs out with people older than you. You'll always look like the youngest person in the room. Because you will be, Bob, except for you. You'll always be the oldest times 500,000 million. I'll be the spring chicken at every party. Well, you won't be, Bob, because you're no chicken. Actually, you is a chicken. And there you have it. Stay young, stay fresh, and never let them see you age. Cheers to eternal youth and oversized sunglasses. And here's to staying forever young, one nap at a time.